Should you use a video background in your homepage banner? Watch this video to find out about pros and cons of using a video background, learn about the best practices to follow if you decide to use it, and see 3 great examples of homepages using video backgrounds effectively. Hi and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jill Andrews, a conversion copywriter and website consultant. And today I would like to help you make an informed decision on whether or not to use a video background in your homepage banner. Let's look at video background pros and cons. Pros, a video background can make your website look slicker than a website of your competitors. And it can also communicate some things faster than text. But what are the cons? The cons of using a video background is that it will make your page load slower compared to if you used a static image. It will distract your visitors from reading the text that's positioned in your banner. It may make the text even partially unreadable because of the low contrast between background and the text. It may annoy your visitors because they will have no control over the moving images. They won't be able to stop the video. And it also can provide little information on its own. As you can see, the cons are more than pros. Does it mean that using video backgrounds are definitely inferior to using a static image? Not so fast. According to Michael Agard, an expert from Unbounce, a company who does a lot of A/B testing of websites and separate pages, they see video backgrounds work well for companies who need to communicate a vibe or set an atmosphere to communicate their value proposition. Companies that specializes in event organizing, some conferences or restaurants. He does not recommend using video backgrounds for companies who have a complex offer and have to explain a lot with words where videos just won't do it. I'm looking at you, financial and tech industry. Still, if you decide to go for using a video background in your banner, what would be the best practices to follow? Your video should not distract from the text you have in the banner and make it readable at all times, as well as the call to action button you may have in your banner. The loop of the video shouldn't be too short, not to be even more irritating, and it shouldn't be too long because then it will increase the load speed of your page a lot. And number 3, definitely A/B tested against using a static image because we may have opinion, but our opinions do not matter when it comes to data. Here are 3 examples of homepages that use video banners effectively. This apparel store uses their video background to create desire. They showcase their products and show you how they may look on you if you decide to buy them. Communicate the feeling of being beautiful, being light, being confident. The second example of is a website of a university. Here you see their students strolling through campus, being in class, being happy with the life and experiences they have here, which makes you imagine how you will fit in this setting. This banner again communicates a part of their message and creates desire. And last but not least, my totally favorite example is a homepage of Golf and Ocean Club. Here, I don't even need to read the rest of the website. The images they show of their facility, they are so amazing that you're like, okay, tell me just how much it costs, and I hope I can afford it because I'm booking the next flight there and applying for membership. Have you noticed what these 3 examples have in common? Right, their video backgrounds communicate a big part of their message. Meaning, if you have a video background that has no additional value, communicate no additional message, does not make your value proposition stronger, then maybe reconsider and switch it for a static image, even if your video background looks slicker. Your prospects do not care whether your website looks slicker than your competitors. What they care about is to understand what you offer for whom, why should they care, and if they are not able to understand it fast enough, or if they are irritated by your video background, you just shot yourself in the foot. All right, I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for a topic you would like to see me talk about in my next video, just leave me a comment. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to help more business owners just like you see my videos in their feed, and subscribe to my channel if you yourself would like to see more of my videos.